Here we have the 2020 Lincoln MKZ Standard. And this one comes in silver radiance on ebony soft touch interior. It has a 2.0 liter turbocharged engine, made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And there's your beautiful front end there with LED daytime running lights. And here you have your 19-inch aluminum wheels. You have passive keyless entry on all 4 doors. And there are the controls for your memory seating, power door locks, power windows, power mirrors, and power folding mirrors with blind spot monitoring. And over here you have your headlamp controls, and you can also open your hatch. And you also have that electronic parking brake, which you pull for on and then push down and take it off. And you've got power with power lumbar support. And there's your door panel there. And there's your rear seat. And there you have your trunk space, which is pretty large. And what I really like about these is you can close them with the touch of a button. And there's your power passenger seat with power lumbar support. Gonna check out the 2-liter turbo under the hood. And it's covered up mostly, but there's that 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Of course, you have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel here. And there's your navigation system. And there's your shifter. You have park, reverse, neutral, drive, your sport mode. And then that's how you cut the engine on and off. And you also have your auto hold here, which you can toggle. But there's a view of your backup camera. There's your home screen. You have AM, FM, along with XM radio and Bluetooth audio. And then you can pull your climate up here, or you can go down here as you have dual zone automatic climate control. And then you have 3-stage heated seats for the driver and passenger. You have a little storage area there, USB port. Then you have 2 cup holders here. You've got ambient lighting in there too. Then in here, have a nice little center console cubby. Then you can take this in and out for change or whatever. And you also have another USB charger in there. And for this to be the standard, you still get plenty of features. There's your glove compartment with your owner's manual. And you also have adaptive cruise control in this one. And then you can go through your gauge cluster. And you also have your paddle shifters. And then there's your key fob. So next it's time to go ahead and take this 2020 MKZ out on the road for a test drive. So far, a very, very smooth ride from this car. It's really nice. Very maneuverable around this curve, and still at the same time very peaceful within the cabin. I'm gonna check out the shifts real quick. I think it's a good feature to have. I would definitely probably keep it in normal drive mode because I like that better. But if you do need to take over shifting for whatever reason or whatever preference you may have, it's there. Pretty decent acceleration. Gonna put on the adaptive cruise control now. So even though I have it set to 74, the car is cruising at 60 just to keep a safe distance between myself and the car in front of me. And even on the interstate, a very nice ride and very quiet within the cabin. And I've test driven a few MKZs with bigger wheels, and you can really tell the difference. I don't know if it's the tires or just how big the wheels are, but it makes a world of difference. And the MKZs I've driven already were already fantastic in terms of just cabin acoustics and how it sounded in here, but this is just great. This is going to be the end of the review of the 2020 Lincoln MKZ Standard.